Before diving deep, understanding Python's foundational data types is absolutely crucial for any coding success you aim to achieve. Numeric types like integers, floats, and complex numbers power all your crucial mathematical calculations and financial modeling tasks effectively. The trusty string type handles all text-based data, from simple user inputs to processing large blocks of documentation effortlessly. Think of a list as a flexible, ordered collection where you can easily add, remove, or change items whenever your requirements shift. Tuples are similar to lists, but they remain immutable, making them perfect for storing configuration values that definitely should not change. Sets efficiently store only unique elements, which is incredibly useful when you need to quickly find duplicates or test for membership in a group. Dictionaries store data in convenient key-value pairs, allowing for lightning-fast lookups based on a unique identifier tag. Imagine using a dictionary to map user IDs directly to their corresponding profile information in a massive scaling application database. Then you have the simple Boolean type, which is absolutely essential for all your conditional logic, returning just true or false outcomes every single time. These basic building blocks actually combine to form complex structures, managing everything from simple personal scripts to big data pipelines seamlessly. Grasping these core concepts thoroughly sets a solid foundation for mastering far more advanced Python libraries and frameworks later on in your journey. Therefore, you should experiment with creating variables of each type to truly solidify the important distinctions between them in your own practice code. Mastering these fundamental Python data types unlocks a huge potential for efficient problem solving across virtually every single modern industry imaginable.